Hi everyone, welcome back. This is my last project for Kitaholic Kits for the month of February, and I'm doing another project life layout. I haven't done a project life layout for Kitaholic Kits in quite some time because I pretty much stopped doing last year's project life towards the end of my pregnancy. I just couldn't really craft, it was too painful. And so I have basically, I think I've got maybe 6 weeks to catch up on from last year, but I finally got around to printing all of my photos and now I am going to document these. I am just creating a fairly simple little title page. This is week 48 and I'm using these glitter thickers from Chamel that I had in my stash just to write out week 48, and I'm just adding a little love heart with that rainbow in it in the middle of those two, adding the dates of this particular week, and then to finish off this particular card I'm just creating a little dash border around the outside of that heart because it was kind of getting a little bit lost. And with that, this card is done. I am going to be jumping around a lot, guys. I'm sorry about that, but that's just how I tend to craft when I'm like in the mood, in the zone. I tend to just jump around a lot. So now I'm jumping into this particular card of my husband's grandma. And I'm so happy I have this photo because she's actually since passed away. And it is really nice to have this photo of her sitting there enjoying some fish and chips. And it's the last photo I'm going to have of her in my project life, and it makes me very sad, but it's nice that I can document it. And so I have a whole card that's dedicated just to her. Now I'm doing my two 4x6 photos. I'm adding this just two stickers from the sticker pack and adding the little golden asterisks to them. And then those cards are done. I'm taking this label from one of the cut apart sheets and I'm going to just cut that into two so I can add them to two other photos to do some documenting. I am telling the story this week about Emma helping this is the last week that I'm actually documenting before jumping into December daily, but Emma was helping my mother-in-law decorate a Christmas tree at like one of those felt Christmas trees, and so I've got a photo of that. I've got a bunch of photos of Alfie. She is doing so much better after her surgery, and she was like not in hospital for any reason, and it was really nice just not having that, and we had lots of cuddles with her this week. I don't have any of this particularly written down, but I do use a little phrase sticker on one of the photos of Justin and Alfie saying like clear skies ahead, because it's really been like after all of her health issues, it's been like a real struggle. So I'm really glad that we're at the stage now where it sort of seems to be mostly over. Like she still has diabetes, she's still unwell, but at least we know that the worst is over and she's probably not going to have any more surgeries. She's got her eyesight back, so that makes us very happy. And that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to I cut that one of the photos of Justin and Alfie down. I'm going to stick it all wonkily on that particular blue card just to bring in some more color, and then that's the clear skies ahead sticker that I'm going to add there. Then I'm going to leave because baby needed food, and I think over the next few months you'll notice this a lot where I would be like just jumping out and in and there'll be lots of cuts because I'm basically just I have to leave to feed baby. I'm doing some lines for all my journaling because I do that a lot. I find that I'm more messy when I just write on without having pre-drawn lines, so hence why I do all of my lines. It is time consuming, but it makes the whole thing much more legible. Now I'm going to add my journaling and then I'm going to be done. This is just me talking about Emma going to a birthday party of a friend of hers. She wrote the most special little card. It was so sweet, and I actually took a photo of the card and I included that photo in this week. I'm also talking about how Caitlin, Callum and Ollie have gone back to Esperance, or had gone back to Esperance, and we weren't going to see them for a while. And yeah, then I'm going to just write about Gigi. I didn't mention anything about her passing in this card. I wanted to keep it positive, and so I'm just writing about how like happy she is and how much she's enjoying her fish and chips. When this journaling is done, I'm pretty sure this whole layout's done. I'm not going to add anything else. The beautiful papers and the beautiful filler cards from this month have just been... I'm going to add two little flags to that photo of Gigi. But yeah, when I add that, I feel like I don't need to add anything more to this layout. It is very light and airy and bright and rainbowy, and it makes me happy, and it's done. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me for my final project for Kitaholic Kits, and I'll be back next month with some more amazing Kitaholic Kits goodies. See ya. Bye.